こんにちは、島田彩綜です。筆を持つあなたへ、文字の書き方をご説明いたします。どうぞご一緒に筆を持ち、心静かに書を楽しんでいただけたら嬉しく思います。
Hello, my name is Naohiro Hayashi. I'm a navigator of this calligraphy lesson. Let's explore the world of Japanese calligraphy together. Today, we draw a character A. Make your posture. First, relax your shoulder. Second, concentrate your attention on your lower stomach area. Third, tighten your anus. A is a character which is composed by 8 basic strokes. So, this is an important character to study calligraphy. The meaning of it is long time.
構えます。
Make your posture.
ペンです。
First, draw a dot. While inhaling,
横角で
move
す。
to the next stroke.
曲がり
Drawing a
角で
horizontal
す。
stroke, move
縦
to a
角に
vertical
移り
stroke.
ます。
In this point, make your brush
はい、
vertical.
最後は羽です。
Draw a hook while exhaling.
はい、
While
横角
inhaling,
です。
move to the next stroke. Move your brush to the upper right. While exhaling,
左払いです。
draw a diagonal sweeping stroke to the lower left. While inhaling,
短い
move
左
to the
払
upper
いで
right.
す。
Then draw a diagonal sweeping stroke.
はい、
Again,
右払い
inhale.
です。
Then, while exhaling,
抜けたら
draw a diagonal sweeping stroke.
真ん中に
At
戻り
last
ます。
Move to the center position while inhaling.
拝見いたします。大変力強い線で、結構
This
です。
character is powerful.
2箇所直して
However, there are two feedbacks.
はい、一つはこの場所で
First,
墨継ぎをし
don't
ました
add the
が、
ink while you're
墨
drawing
継ぎ
one
をしな
character.
いでください。もう一つはこ
Second,
の場所で
you had too much power
に力が
at
入り
this
すぎ
sweeping
ました。
stroke. Relax your shoulder.